Imagine advertising that feels like a genuine recommendation from a friend. That's the power of user-generated content, or UGC. And today, we're unlocking how to harness for your ads. First, let's talk about sourcing your gold. Think reviews, testimonials, unboxing videos, how-tos, and even social media posts tagging your brand. Encourage your community to share their experiences using branded hashtags or by running contests that incentivize content creation. Now, curation is key. You want authentic, high-quality UGC that aligns with your brand's message. Look for clear audio and visuals, genuine enthusiasm, and content that showcases your product or service in action. A quick search of your brand's mentions can uncover hidden gems. Integrating UGC into your ad campaigns is where the magic happens. Use strong customer testimonials directly in video ads to build immediate trust. Feature authentic user photos in your social media ads to create relatable visuals that resonate with potential customers. Consider creating carousel ads that showcase a variety of user-submitted images or short video clips. This variety keeps your audience engaged and demonstrates the broad appeal of your offering. Displaying UGC on your website's landing pages or product pages is another powerful tactic. This social proof can significantly boost conversion rates by demonstrating real-world satisfaction. Remember to always obtain permission before using user-generated content in paid advertising. A simple direct message or email asking for consent goes a long way in maintaining trust and ethical practices. By weaving authentic UGC into your advertising strategy, you're not just selling a product. You're building a community, fostering trust, and driving real, impactful results. Start leveraging your most valuable asset, your customers, today.